Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to find billing address on Cashapp card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So in order to find your billing address on your Cashapp card, just open your Cashapp. So I wanted to let you know that your billing address of your Cashapp card is the same address that you have mentioned when you created your Cashapp account. When you log into your Cashapp account, you have to mention few of your details, and along with that you also mention your billing address, and that particular billing address is also will be there on your Cashapp card unless you change it. So in order to find your billing address on Cashapp, you have to click on this card icon at the bottom. As you can see that I don't have any Cashapp card right now with me. So when you click on get free Cashapp card, just click on it, and once you click on order card, there the address that you're going to mention here will be the billing address mentioned on your Cashapp card. So this is how you will find your billing address on Cashapp card. So you just have to mention the same address that you want on your Cashapp card while placing your order for your Cashapp card. This is how simple it is to find your billing address on your Cashapp card. So that's it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.